So my old laptop died, so I got a new one. Hopefully it'll be the last time because I refuse to get any more because I don't know. You get the idea. I'm not gonna say why. Just let's see what it is. Start the squeaky chair. That's what I like. I sort of this box is so heavy. Pull it down. Yeah. For God's sake, get down, plastic. Anyways, is it like this? So let's try and open it. I apologize for using one finger. It's just it's hard to record with one hand. God damn it! Come on. What kind of box is this? That's not opening right. There we go. Oops. I ripped it. Big deal. I can't wait, just a box. That's minute the head, just a minute. I think it's coming out. Now, whatever. So, there we go. My goodness. I am an idiot, guys. Hi, guys. What can I do? It's hard to get these laptops out. Oh, baby, there it is. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, no. All right, let's just hold it like this because the chair is loose. Let's bring it back. Okay, let's place it like here. So, yeah, here's the laptop. There's a charging cable. It's heavy. There we go. This is my laptop. Mute up there. Just pull it like this. Oh yeah. Oh whoops. Handles. You're kidding. How do these have handles? It's beyond me. So yeah. Booklet guide for the Aspire 3 laptop or Acer. Right there. Nothing much, just all the guarantees. And this. Any mobile to laptop adapter? Who knows? Let's get this beauty out from this coat. I swear to God, I will not break this laptop once I use it. Be careful with it. Okay, come out sleeve. And, oh, I'm okay. Here's the laptop, guys. Guys, Jesus Christ, it's just as big as my previous one. So here it is. Just open it really quick. I have to open it with two hands. Okay, let me just try one more time. Okay, there we go. Ta-da! Here we go, my new laptop. Let's turn it on. my face. Hi. It takes a while to turn on. There we go. Don't mind the Russian, I'll change the language. Yeah, unfortunately Sony doesn't provide any more laptops, so they've been discontinued for a long time, so it's this one. So yeah, this is my laptop, guys. Acer. It'll take a while for me to get everything back in order, so I'll see you then.